ABS-CBN Studios proudly presents a Dreamscape Entertainment production starring Asian Academy Creative Awards Best Actress Jodie Santa Maria, Philippine drama icon Albert Martinez, Lavender Fields.
A story of two people finding justice, crossed paths, and found true love.
Sandro Fernandez.
Ako si Jasmine Flores.
Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby,
Tatayaan ko po si Agent Fernandez.
take me in your arms.
Wala ka ba nararamdaman kay Agent Fernandez kahit nakatiting?
My dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again.
Bagay.
Just one touch and then it happens every
Kain na.
time. And there I go.
Thank you, love.
Just fall in love again.
Agent Fernandez!
Agent Pascual, ano bang sabi ng boss mo? Seryoso ba siya kay Ma'am Jasmine?
Hindi naman ang kukwento yun eh. Pero, obvious naman na iba malasakit niya kay Jasmine.
Magic,
Water? Kinuha na kita ng juice.
the way I hold you in the night.
Mukhang saya ka na dyan eh.
So
Makakatiwala ko sa'yo buhay ko.
for you,
Masaya ka ba pagkasama mo ako? Parang yung naramdaman mo.
May bodyguard ka naman pala dyan eh.
when I look into your eyes,
Hindi ako ganun kadaling maniwala o magtiwala sa kahit kanino.
fall in love again.
Pero sa'yo,
Just
magtiwala ako.
in the house.
Patinig talaga itong lavender na to.
Oo nga, sir eh. Kung ano itong si Fernandez, nahulog din sa kanya eh.
Just fall in love again, and when I do,
Pinipilit niya pa rin na siya na ang bahala. Gusto niya na ilayo niya ako.
Oo, siyempre yun ang gusto niya. Mahal ka niya eh.
with you, and don't I just fall in love again? Just one touch and then it happens every time. There I go by. Just fall in love again, and when I do,
Sandro,
Jasmine.
maraming salamat, Sandro. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo.
Jasmine. Ako nga dapat magpasalamat sa'yo eh. Salamat ha.